Hey man, say man. Hold on, that's wrong intro. Glad. But look man, it's your boy Jay back again with another video, man. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell your friend, tell your mama, tell your auntie. You feel me? We're gonna get that out the way real quick though. But right now, man, we got my boy Olu with me, man. Behind the camera, let me get the dang, boy, don't make me forget what we were finna say. But look, I'm driving right now. This is where we going. We on our way to Olu house, man. Olu got to change, man. But we finna head up somewhere, man. They got a bike show, a car show going on, right? And you know I'm gonna get that car content for you. Ooh, stumbling over my words and stuff, man. You feel me? But you know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna get that car content for you. So we gonna head there. We gonna see what they got. They probably got some old schools, some new schools, you know what I'm saying? Some middle schools, you feel me? So we gonna try to get that content and make everything lit, man. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, we out here at this mud. I'm trying to get my hip right, but my boy got the goddamn, yeah. Oh, my bad. Hey, oh.
Don't play with them folks, boy.
Send me a video, nigga. I need to see what's going on.
I took him to the FaceTime.
Send me a video.
We got the Bel Airs. We got everything.
We're a little late, but hey, man. See what's going on.
What up there? We got GT E8 right here behind you.
Yeah, look, not with energy. I got
E8. Yes, sir.
Come on.
Yeah, Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. I know you got something. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Y'all know, my boy Chevy late to the party, man. I told him to come early, he late to the party, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. But look, go ahead and subscribe to my boy, man.
Yeah, man. Get them watch time hours up, y'all. Y'all see we working today, man. And put in 3 videos today, man. Go check the channel out.
Yeah.
Dropping videos back to back now. We out here working.
Come on now. And I gotta get some support. Nah, for real. I'm about to Bentley truck. He got that bit off of Wildwood.
What?
Wildwood, so I told you to call out that be having the old.
Oh, Riverdale.
Riverdale. He got that mud off of Riverdale, man. Hey, but look, man, I already got my content, man. I told Chevy to pull up to the party, man, earlier, man. Look, if y'all haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all get the rest on my boy Chevy Shawty stuff, man. But real quick, let me get this right here. Y'all remember this mud from Transformer? This is what Bumblebee was, you feel me?
28.
Yeah. And they a lift driver. Look, they a lift driver on.
Get you slipping.
But yeah, man. But I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We ain't doing nothing but going up from here, man. We on the road to 1,000, man.